What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Hello and welcome into Sugar Fingers. We are getting ready to do for the first time right here on camera for you, me using nail forms. I'm going to start off by prepping and priming these nails, and you know what better place to stop at is my friends at Macart. Make one of the best prep and prime sets you will ever use. Check out the description box down below. Listen, if you haven't subscribed to Sugar Fingers, what are you waiting on? Drop it on down, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. I am not a professional nail technician by no means, but I love doing my own nails because what better place, what safer place than in the walls of my own home right here. So y'all, let me get this nail prepped and primed, and we'll let that sit for just a moment, and we'll prepare to do nail forms. These, I don't know where I got them from. I've had them for a while, but I never used them because I didn't know what I was doing. And today I'm going to try to figure it all out. So I'm looking at it. Now, what do I do? What do I do? All right, we're going to go ahead and place this on around our nail. Now, I don't know if I cut my nail down too short or not, but we're going to try this. We are going to do that. I'm rolling along like a pro. Do I put it on here? Yeah, I guess so. I guess that gives it a little bit of stability. I kind of cheated and checked out a few videos beforehand, but I'm still confused about which way to turn this. I got it right. Here we go. Easy does it, babies. Oh, and my hands are so dry. Gotta keep them moisturized. Yes, you do. But right now, of course, I had to remove all of the oils because I'm working with these nails and I want to make sure I get all of this stuff on here so it won't fall off. So I went ahead and just kind of tore that in half. I don't really know why. Maybe because I've seen it like that before, but again, I don't know why. I just went ahead and did that because it appeared that this was too small to wrap my finger, but who knows? We're going to go for it. Any of the products that I'm using today will be linked down in the description box for you in case you want to check them out. Now, most of the links that I use are affiliate links, so be aware of that. Now, from my friends over there at Double Dip, I received one of their kits, which included this solution, which is great for using on your PolyGel in order to smooth it out. So you can use this or alcohol, and I'm going to use the solution in order to do that. Now, this PolyGel is also from that kit, which is the Bella Vena Dallas kit, something or another. I will link it below. It also came with this brush and PolyGel stick on the end, so we're going to use that in order to put the PolyGel onto my nail today. Again, I've watched tons of videos, so I'm trying to do it in accordance with what I've seen. This PolyGel, just to let you know, it is rather, let's say, it's not hard to maneuver. Let's put it like that. So as you can see, it's really soft, and working with it, trying to make sure I work with it in a manner that I can create a perfect little nail. So I'm going to go ahead and put that slip solution into the top of this so I can go ahead and dip my brush into it. All right, just keeping my brush a little wet so I can move it along the PolyGel and move the PolyGel into place where I need it to be. And I'm sorry, I'm out of frame just a little bit there. Y'all know I'm trying to concentrate. Okay, let me put you right here so you can see what I'm up to. Just taking my time, dip and smooth, dip and smooth. And again, check the description box for any of the products that I'm using. If I have links for them, I will definitely link them down below under this video. Just taking my time. And if you're looking for great background music, hey, check my link down below for Epidemic Sound. This is what you call copyright-free music. You purchase through them, and you can rest assured you have copyright-free music in the background of your videos. Sets the mood, sets the tone, and yes. Now right now I'm curing it because I think I'm done. I'm peeling off the nail form. Let's see if it falls off. I hope the nail doesn't fall off. I really want to make sure I did this as correctly as possible. Alright, so far so good. But just because I'm so new to this, I don't know why I feel that this is not cured thoroughly. So I went ahead and put it under the nail lamp for another 60 seconds, okay? Another 60 seconds. And listen, y'all, I don't know about you, but I think this nail looks pretty good. I'm just going to go ahead and shape it up and see what I have at the end. And hopefully it shapes up well and doesn't fall off. And I might be onto something, because actually it really wasn't that painful. It really wasn't that bad. It really wasn't that big of a task. I think I'm into this thing, okay? So now I'm just going to spritz it down with some alcohol and keep shaping to make sure I get the desired shape I want. And of course I'm going for a almond kind of stiletto shape, okay? Almond stiletto. That's my terminology for it. PolyGel is really easy to file, so that's the plus with this, okay? And I understand it's pretty sturdy, so therefore, what do you know? I have two of the best things going. Easy to file, pretty sturdy, meaning hopefully pretty long lasting. Wiping it down one more time with alcohol, and babies, hold on, come here, come a little closer. Come a little closer. Yes, she did that. She did that right here on Sugar Fingers. Your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. Very first time using nail forms, and honey, I think I'm sold. Listen, y'all, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you would, please make sure you do your girl a favor and drop a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell, and please keep on watching more videos right here. And make sure you keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. Toodles.